not with eyes alone, but with skin, with arms, with a mind spread across an entire body. In the dim blue of the ocean, something is watching. An octopus drifts over the seafloor, soft as smoke. No bones, no shell, no protection. And yet, this animal survives. It does not rely on speed. It does not rely on strength. It relies on something far rarer beneath the waves. Intelligence. Octopuses diverged from our own lineage more than 500 million years ago. Long before mammals, before dinosaurs, before trees covered the land. And yet, here they are, solving problems, opening jars, escaping locked tanks, remembering faces. This should not be possible. Most animals with advanced intelligence share a familiar blueprint, a backbone, a centralized brain, a long evolutionary history of social living. Octopuses have none of these.
Their brains are unlike ours, unlike any vertebrates. More than half of their neurons are not in the head at all. They are in the arms. Each arm can taste, touch, decide. Sever an arm and it will still react, still explore, still think in its own limited way. This is not one brain controlling 8 limbs. It is 9 minds negotiating a single body. An octopus does not simply move its arms. It consults them. When hunting, an arm may investigate a crevice on its own, while the central brain oversees the larger plan. Control is distributed. Decision-making is shared. It is a form of intelligence alien to us, decentralized, embodied, almost collective. And then there is memory. In laboratory tests, octopuses learn quickly. They remember solutions weeks later. They recognize individual humans, responding differently to those who feed them and those who do not. Some squirt water at specific researchers, not randomly, deliberately. This is not reflex. This is not instinct alone. This is experience. But intelligence is not just problem solving. It is flexibility, the ability to adapt when the rules change. And in the wild, the rules change constantly. Predators arrive without warning. Shelter collapses. Food disappears. An octopus cannot rely on habit. It must improvise. Camouflage becomes language. Skin cells flash color and texture in milliseconds, blending thought directly into flesh. An octopus does not hide, it becomes. Rock, coral shadow. And somewhere within this living illusion, a question begins to surface. How does a creature with such a short life, often barely 2 years, develop a mind so complex? And what does that say about intelligence itself? Because the octopus is only getting started. And the deeper we look, the stranger this mind becomes. To understand the octopus, we must abandon familiar ideas. This is not mammalian intelligence, not social, not cooperative, not built for family groups or shared culture. Octopuses live alone. Each octopus starts from nothing, and yet each one figures out the world. In experiments, octopuses have been observed solving puzzles they have never encountered before, pulling levers, stacking objects, navigating mazes. They do not stumble blindly into solutions. They test, they observe, they adjust. This suggests something profound. Intelligence does not require society. It does not require language. It does not even require a long lifespan. It can emerge fully formed inside a single, solitary life.
But the octopus's mind is not just clever, it is curious. Given unfamiliar objects, octopuses explore them without immediate reward. They manipulate them, turn them over, investigate textures.
This behavior mirrors play. Play is rare in the animal kingdom. It appears most often in species with high cognitive capacity. Play means surplus intelligence, a mind with room to wonder.